Have you ever read the book The Fault in Our Stars? It's a love story centering two teen cancer patients, and I finished the book last week at the recommendation of a good friend of mine and was so reluctant to move on to each next page. By the end of the book, I was absolutely tearing up. But I didn't want to end my journey with the book by just going, that was a good book, and let it sit on the shelves. I wanted to do a bit more with it. By coincidence, I read on an article yesterday that scientists have uncovered a key to enhancing cancer-killing T cells. And with that, I went on to learn more about cancer, and more specifically, the new discovery of empowering T cells and the implications it may have for current cancer immunotherapy. In this video, we're going to look into cancer in general and the types of available treatments. If you want more information on immunotherapy, you can visit my next video just by clicking on my channel. Cancer is a disease involving abnormal and uncontrollable growth of some of the body's cells with the potential to spread to other parts of the body. Cancer starts almost anywhere in the body, and it happens when a gene mutates and creates what we call cancer cells. Cancer cells can be distinguished from normal cells in that A. Normal cells divide and multiply in a controlled manner, but cancer cells multiply and grow uncontrollably. B. Normal cells for organs stay put in their position, but cancer cells move around freely. And C. Normal cells are programmed to die, but cancer cells are immortal. It's called immortal in the sense that cancer cells express enzyme telomerase, which prevent the shortening of its telomeres and thus death. These cancer cells invade normal cells, and this causes normal cells to become cancerous. Eventually, we end up with a cluster of cancer cells which form tumors, essentially lumps of tissues. Just to clear up some confusion, there are two types of tumors, benign and malignant, non-cancerous, and cancerous, i.e. respectively, and in this case we're talking about malignant tumors. Cancer cells may break away from tumors and, via the lymphatic system or the bloodstream, travel to other parts of the body. This process is called metastasis. Their common destination is usually the bones, liver, or the lungs. When cancer cells reach parts of the body, they then form new tumors of which are made up of the same kind of cancer cells as the original tumor. For instance, if a lung cancer cell was found in the liver, they won't necessarily look like liver cells. It would still be called lung cancer, not liver cancer. Alright, that's it for today, guys. See you in part 2.